Begin by preparing your walls for paint. Remove existing wallpaper or other obstacles. Take off your outlet and light switch covers. Next, protect your surfaces. Cover your floors and tape off your trim and window moldings. Then use spackle and a putty knife to patch any holes, sand them once they're dry so that the wall is smooth, and clean up any debris that's left over. Even if you're using a paint and primer in one, it's usually ideal to use a primer first for best adhesion and best coverage. Make sure to stir your paint well so that everything is mixed fully, and if you're using multiple gallons, mix them together ahead of time so that you have one solid color. With an angled brush, push the paint into the edges and then gently feather out. After you've trimmed the entire room, use a paint roller and load your paint roller in order to paint a W on the wall first, following it up by gently overlapping your lines to create a completely painted wall. Paint 2 coats for best coverage and then remove your tape when it is partially dry.